Moving on, the White House has said that with Kamala Harris as U.S. Vice President, Indo-U.S. ties will strengthen further. Speaking at a daily briefing, White House Press Secretary Jen Psaki said that U.S. President Joe Biden respects the long, bipartisan, successful relationship between the two countries, India and United States. He looks forward to the continuation of that. The historic inauguration of Indian origin Kamala Harris, Psaki said, further cements this relationship. Kamala Harris is indeed the first woman, first black, first person of South Asia descent to be sworn in as the Vice President of the United States. Her maternal family is from Tamil Nadu's Thiruvarur. Kamala Harris also shared a video remembering her mother Shyamalam Gopalan Harris just before the inaugural ceremony there.
President Biden, who of course has visited India many times, respects and values the long bipartisan successful relationship between leaders in India and the United States. He looks forward to a continuation of that. Obviously, he selected and yesterday she was sworn in, the first Indian American to serve as president or vice president. It's certainly a historic moment for all of us in this country, but a further cementing of the importance of our relationship.
Well, India and the United States of America share a unique and a very special relationship which has seen through the test of times, as well as the fact that foreign policy for US as much as for India is a continuum when it comes to these two countries. There have always been and will continue to remain niggling issues, areas of divergence and issues that need negotiations for both sides to come to not just the talking table but to come to a conclusion, be it the trade front or for that matter certain areas in the internal and security front. Having said that, the strategic partnership between India and the United States of America are at their best, and in that we are only going to see Biden and the Biden administration that understands the growing importance of India right now, and there will be, like Jen Psaki said, continued cooperation on that front, and we will see Biden administration, including Vice President Kamala Harris, engage India not just on these fronts but also very specifically on how to for the global economic recovery post-COVID and how to continue to counter China and Chinese aggression. So a lot of areas of convergences between the two countries, and a lot of areas, a lot of low-hanging fruits like the trade deal, like the H-1B visa issues that could be ironed out in the near future.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.